In this exercise, you're going to have options of different prepositions according to the picture that you're looking at. So sometimes you're going to have options, but you're going to try to find the best preposition to describe the location of the object you're looking for. So let's look at some of the prepositions in your word bank that you will find. So you have between, near, far from, on top of, next to, in front of, in the front of, in back of, inside, behind, on, or under. So if we look at the first picture, you could see a picture of two chairs and a box. So the question is, that's been done for you, where is the box? So again, just like we did in exercises 21 and 22, you're going to follow the same pattern to plug in your question words, the helping verb, and the noun, and so forth. But right now, you're going to have to find the best preposition to fit the answer. So in this case, you could see the box is between the two chairs. So the answer is the box is between the chairs. So again, where is the box? And again, just like we did before, question word, helping verb, noun, the object of the question. Now we answer the question using the noun. The box is the helping verb. Between is the preposition because it's the best preposition that fits the picture. The chairs is the object of the preposition. So if we go to number 2 and you look at the picture, you could see that the picture is pointing to the pencil. So we are looking for the pencil. So we would begin again with our pattern, where is, because it's only one pencil, it's singular, where is the pencil? So now we have options of different prepositions. So we could use near the book, or how about I think near the book, or next to the book. So we have options of 2 prepositions. So you could pick one and we could plug in the words that we need to follow the pattern. So again, we begin with our noun, the pencil. So the pencil is our helping verb. Now it's time to choose the preposition. We could say next to the book. The pencil is next to the book. So again, let's revisit. Where is the pencil? The pencil is next to the book. Okay, let's try number 3. In number 3, we have a picture of a notebook and an eraser. So now we see an arrow pointing at the eraser. So that lets us know that we're looking for the eraser. So our question word would be where. And again, because it's only one eraser, we're going to use is. Where is the eraser? Where is the eraser? And again, we have the option of using near the notebook or next to the notebook. We could also use beside, but in this case, let's begin with plugging in our noun, the eraser. is our helping verb. The eraser is. And since we used next to in the last exercise, let's go ahead and use the word near, just to make it a little different. Where is the eraser? The eraser is near the notebook. Again, let's read our question. Where is the eraser? The eraser is near the notebook. And again, we're still practicing the where questions, which is asking the location. So where is the eraser? Near the notebook is the answer. That is the location of the eraser. Now it's your turn to continue and complete the following exercises. And remember, you have choices in your word bank of prepositions, so you can make multiple sentences as you practice. Good luck. See you soon.